I have an iPhone 10 or an iPhone X. As you can see, my screen in the front is very, very cracked. The back is also not doing too great. I swiped it off the table and it just fell on the floor and face down and cracked. Got a little bit something to eat, and by the time I came back, the phone was ready already. Yeah, screen's all good now. Color, everything looks great. I also bought a screen protector, so to prevent any other mistakes.
I have an iPhone 10 XR. This weekend I shattered my phone, so I needed a phone immediately. So I came down here and they fixed the screen for me. They told me 15 minutes, it was probably done in 10. It wasn't bad at all.
We have iPhone 6. It was charging, and by the time we used it, it was gone, no charging. It took like 30 minutes, to get the phone fixed. It works very well, right? Yeah.
So I have a X, and I have a little crack over here in this corner. And it just causes a lot of issues with touchscreen and need to get it fixed, so I came to the fix. I feel like it's just like if you get a crack in your windshield, it just spreads. So it started something small in the corner here, and now it's spread over to the side. Oh, I popped in a couple of stores, found a dress I didn't need. It's all fixed, good as new in 15 or 20 minutes, I think it took. It was super fast, and it made the mall experience much better because now I have a brand new phone.
We're located inside the Bridgewater Commons Mall 7 days a week. You want to park by the Cheesecake Factory and Uncle Julio's, walk straight in past Starbucks, and we're directly under the escalator.